Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. So guys, today I'm back with a new interesting old recipe in a different version. So when I was a kid, my granny used to prepare this recipe occasionally. My granny used to prepare this dish with chicken, rice and sal leaves. But as you know, nowadays sal leaves are very hard to find, so I thought of preparing new version of this recipe. Let's start the recipe. So first take a pan and put some oil in it, and now add all the dry spices in it. Now add chopped onions and fry it till golden brown. So when the onions are ready, then add some chopped green chili, and then we have to add ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add turmeric powder, coriander powder and then some garam masala powder and mix it well. Now you have to add chopped tomatoes and salt and mix it well. Cook the tomatoes in masala with the lid on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Now mix the chicken pieces with masala and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes with lid on low flame. So when the chicken pieces are cooked properly, then add some water for gravy and cook it again for 10 to 15 minutes with lid. So as you can see, our chicken curry is done now. So now we have to add some chopped coriander leaves and keep it aside and allow it to cool. So now we have to prepare a batter using rice flour and our chicken gravy. Take rice flour in a bowl and add our chicken curry in it and mix it properly. You can add some vegetable seasoning in it also. So mix the batter properly. Your batter should be looks like this. Now take a pan and grease the pan with some oil. Now put the chicken and rice flour batter in it. So now on the low flame, cook this for 5 to 8 minutes with lid. Now flip it and cook another side for 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our recipe is done now, and you can serve it with any kind of chutney or any kind of dipping sauce as per your choice. So our chicken focaccia with rice flour is ready now. This is the final look, and I can smell the aroma of this recipe, so I can resist myself to eat. So this is very close to my heart actually. So I'm gonna finish this up, and you do try and let me know how it is. So if you guys like my videos, then give a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with some more interesting videos. Till then, take care.